Here's how to make a book pumpkin. First, get a toilet paper roll. I cut off about 1 inch of the toilet paper roll just to make it a little bit shorter, and then put that off to the side and grab a book. I like to get old encyclopedias from the thrift store, and then I rip out a couple pages. Now, cut one of those pages to fit the side of the toilet paper roll and glue that around the edge. That's going to be the inside stem of your pumpkin. With the rest of the pages, get a paper cutter and cut them into about 1-inch strips. You're going to need quite a few of them. To start, grab one of them and take your glue gun and put a little bit of glue on it and stick it on the inside of your paper roll, like that. And then flip it around and then do the same thing to the other side, completely opposite of where you put it the first time. See what we did there? It made a loop. And you're going to keep doing that to each strip going around the inside edge of your toilet paper roll. Now, it's going to get a little tricky when you get it really full, so you're going to have to start overlapping them and filling in the holes. The more you overlap, the more it'll look like a pumpkin. Take each of the strips then and start to intentionally hide the holes as much as you can. You're not going to get all of it, but you can cut some thinner strips to get it as close as possible, like that. And then I took a piece of cardboard, this was just from one of my pizza boxes, and cut a circle to glue to the bottom. That's going to keep it from rolling around and also makes a cup because I got a chunky stick from our backyard, and there we go, there's your stem. You can even get more detailed and cut thin, tiny little strips of the book pages and roll them around a paintbrush, and that's going to give you a little curlicue. I even cut out a leaf shape from some burlap fabric I had, and I stuffed it in the toilet paper roll around the stem. It's like a cup, so you can stuff whatever you want in there. I just kept it simple, but there's so many ways to be creative with this, so have fun with it. I even made one out of scrapbook paper.